today I will be sharing with you my vanity and my makeup collection. Moving on, and I got this little holder from Marshall's. I think it was $4. It's a holder for folders, but I put some of my palettes in here and I got some candy canes hanging off. So, okay, so the palettes that I keep perched right there in the little crevice are first the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and it legit smells. It smells so good, and it's so pretty. Ooh, I just got a whiff. And then the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette. I want the deluxe one, but I'm like, if I didn't hit pan in any of these yet, why should I go and get the deluxe one? But I just want it, I'm not even gonna lie. And then my BH Cosmetics contour palette. It's relatively new, but I use it quite often. And then I have my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, my Morphe 35B, Morphe 3502 matte and shimmer. And then I have this e.l.f. palette. And then two Juvia's Place palettes, the Nubian 1 and 2. On to the top, I have just school supplies in here, like post-it notes and stuff. And then I have a pair of my glasses. And then I got this. Okay, this Boss thing, I got it from Marshall's, and I think it's heavy, like thick, and I think it was $2.99 or something like that. Okay, so this, I got it, I think it was $13 because one of the drawers are missing. I'm planning on laying down some plastic and probably storing my beauty blenders in there. Just so I can actually make use of a gap that is there. But I got this from Marshall's, and in here I just have my foundations. It's a MAC foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me, and two L'Oreal True Match foundations. And in the second drawer I have, how do I describe this? Eyebrow stuff as well as compact eyeshadows. So these two are eyebrow palettes. These are, well, they're gel liners, but I use the brown one for my eyebrows, and the black one I don't use it because I'm not a gel liner person. And then I have this shadow, which I use to contour from time to time, and then this MAC shadow that I use to contour from time to time, and then a black MAC eyeshadow, just because it is the blackest eyeshadow that I own, Carbon. And it comes in handy. And then I have this Beauty Crush eyeshadow, and it's just a purple shadow, and it's from Victoria's Secret. This Maybelline shadow that I used to use to highlight back in the day when I like first started. I'm saying back in the day like it was that long ago, but when I first started doing makeup. But now I can't let go of it. And then this shadow, this pressed shadow from NYX that I also used to contour. And this highlight, I got it from Ulta a while ago when I was doing my prom makeup. Yeah. And then the third, I have blushes and like face powders. So this is my ombre blush from NYX, MAC Raisin. This is Pure's, and it's just a pressed like foundation. It's like a cream foundation. Then I have this, which is also a cream foundation. But it's too dark, so sometimes I use it to bronze. And then this Tarte blush. This one is my favorite, which is all my highlighters. This is the NYX Away We Glow, Born to Illuminate, Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, Makeup Forever. This thing, real powerful. It's nice though. Then this is some Black Radiance. It is a bronzer, but it has like a gold flecks in it. So, but it's so pretty, like it's so pretty. So I use it to contour or bronze. Then this is the BQ Box or Beak Box F-Boy Repellent Highlighter in Stay Mad. And then this is the Too Faced Highlighter Quad in Beach Bunny. And then the last drawer, I have my setting powders. In the last drawer I have my setting powders and 2 mascaras because they don't fit up there. I have Sacha Buttercup, Airspun, this pressed powder that I use to set my face a little bit. And this is Lancome. Okay, so moving over, I put all my lip pencils in here, as well as eyebrow pencils, lip liners, liquid liners, everything like brow pencils, all my pencil stuff, like anything that's shaped like a pencil is in here. And then this is a mascara guard, Neosporin, yeah. And now I have all of my NYX glosses here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, there. Then I have this brush that my cousin gave me. It's so like densely packed. It's so soft. I'm afraid to use it. I don't want to get it dirty. But it's a Real Techniques brush. And here I have my MAC lippies, and then my NARS lipstick in the cut shade Olivia because that's my name. And I had to get it. And then I have my Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint. This little lipstick that I got from BH Cosmetics. A sharpener. My beauty blenders. This lip gloss, and then a Tarte lip paint, another lip gloss, yeah. And then in these drawers are my lipsticks. So I have all color pops, and I try to arrange them. So these up here are like neutrals, browns, and then it goes to purples. And then in the second drawer are pinky stuff, which the purples won't hold. These barely hold, but they're in here. So I have a neutral shade in here. Honestly, I didn't realize, but it has a pinky undertone. And then just pinks, berries, purple. And then down here I have my Southern Beauty lipsticks, a Tarte lipstick that's a perfect nude, NYX lip lingeries, and then some color pops that I felt like were really neutral, so just went down here. And then moving on to over here, I have my headphones, some Tic Tacs, and then in this little jar, oh, this container, my sister gave it to me, by the way. And in here, I mean, all these little white things I got from the dollar store in pack of 3, and I put my earrings in this one, rings in this one, and then in the third one, I have necklaces. And then I have this heart-shaped thing back there that I keep like bigger things like chokers and like my watch. And then I have my diffuser right here. So in this jar, this is a candle jar from Bath & Body Works. And I have all of these pressed jewel glitters. I have all of these loose glitters. And I don't use glitter. And I want to start using the glitter, but I'm afraid to. So these are here honestly for like my practice, and I literally have every color glitter. And then right here are my eyeshadow brushes, and every container that you see from now on I got from the dollar store. In here I got this jar from the dollar store as well. I have more loose glitters. These are from BQ Box or Beak Box. And then these are just some Wet n Wild pressed glitters. These are the first glitters that I ever worked with, and I actually like, they're not bad. Yeah. But they're easier for, these are easier for cleanup. So if you're like practicing and you're a first timer using glitter, try to use the Wet n Wild. And then these are more brushes. The white ones that you see, they're from Coastal Scents. I just washed my makeup brushes. This is a Real Techniques. This is from Real Techniques. This is a little buffing brush that I got on eBay for 99 cents. Yeah. I have my alcohol and my little pen and marker holder. And then this little jar, I just got it the other day from Target, and I want to whip some shea butter and put it in here. This is just what I put my oil in. Alcohol for just disinfecting purposes. And then these brushes I got from Amazon. Yeah, I got them from Amazon. It came in like a pack of 8, like with these eyeshadow brushes, 4 eyeshadow brushes, I believe. And then 4, no, 2, yeah. And then 4 of these types of brushes, face brushes. And then this is my little e.l.f. This is my e.l.f. contour brush. So, I mean, I use it for contour, but it's a perfect blending brush for blending out your contour. I've had this brush for like 2 years now. Yeah, 2 years. And then this fan brush is from BQ Box. Everything that you see from BQ Box, I honestly won it in a giveaway that Naturally Sunny did on YouTube, so shout out to her. And then this is the fan brush that I got from Morphe like 2 years ago. This was my first ever Morphe brush, and now I have 2. These are my concealers. This is canceled. We're not gonna talk about her. ColourPop, NYX Duo. I love this joint. ColourPop color correcting one. I used to be so big on color correcting, and I just don't anymore. LA Girl. I definitely just call this ColourPop, and it's really LA Girl Pro Concealer. I ain't mean to disrespect you like that, sis. Whole bunch of LA Girl, and I got backups for the LA Girl. You know what I'm saying? Cause yeah, you see why I got a backup. I've been using this, like, I'm getting that a little bit. I am. You see that? It's some in there. And she's getting used. Sephora. What is this? Master Conceal. Ooh, Maybelline. I haven't really used her. She needs to get some love. Sis, I'm sorry. And then my Mizak. So moving on to my drawer. This is my junk drawer slash eyelash drawer, slash contact drawer, slash this is my everything drawer. So yeah, I just have lashes and lash glue and scissors, and yeah. In the drawers on this side, ignore this because I keep my headbands in here too. You gotta do what you gotta do when you're in college. But right here, I have my setting sprays and my primers. Glitter glue primer, setting sprays, eyeshadow primer. Below it, I have my Take Me Back to Brazil, Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and this palette is so nice. Like, it's pigmented. It's really nice. It's a little expensive for BH Cosmetics, in my opinion, but it's a really nice palette. Then I have my Morphe 3502 or the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palettes. And then I have this BH Cosmetics. Honestly, she don't get no love because she could be better. But yeah, this is she. It's so pretty, but the pigmentation just is not really there. I haven't tried out the blush yet, so let me do that before I start talking. Schmack. And then this was my first eyeshadow palette. Nitra B put me onto this. She was like, oh, for beginners, this palette. So I got that. This is just a container for my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is a sleek palette. My sister gave this to me, but isn't it so adorable? I really, really love this palette. She probably regrets giving it to me. And then my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and everything else is just school stuff. Honestly, truly. Okay, so this is it for my makeup collection. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.